ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, bala play nakbantaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
Arngut ki Koidi ya ki bala tip kerteng ko small power bat ukwal lalu. Kila Lait Phet na kakti jong ki Pulit ha Jowai Civil Hospital ha ka step sngi ublay ka lifeway tarik ubnai kelalangkot arhajar arfway ha ka por kumbah nyo waje arfo minute AA min step hadien bala kit ya kini ki Arngut syakani ka hospital ban ai jing sumar na ka daw bakila ot syaki bor badai pet bagi don ka jingpang ha ka met. Kumban sipentip hang ni ka yeng bisyar kala rai penrem ban set along hadu shipo snem yo small power halor ka kamrunar le be ijot ya kawai ka samla kat bayo Kuala Lumpur udai ubala syak rai penrem ban syak set along shijing im halor ka jingdon kti ha ka kampanya brio. U Inspector General of Prison uba MH Karkrang habaya keren bat kelat patai kubor ulayatu baki Pulit jong ka West Giant Hills District kidang penlong ya ka jing tokit ka babenya halor ka jing Lait Phet jong gini ki Arngut ki Koidi bat haduk mentah ki Pulit kidang penlong ru ka jing Thwet ka bajur ban yok kembiang ya gini ki Arngut. Hakajuk kapor la mudui ejahar biang persya ya ki habaya dai bat kane ka jing Phet to jong ki na kane ka jaka ai jing sumar.
Yesterday in the morning, we got the information from Jowai Civil Hospital of the escape of 2 convicts from Jowai Civil Hospital. Then immediately people had gone there, and of course police was informed also. Just to give you a brief of these 2 people who have escaped, one is Small Power and the other one is Quail Lalu. Small Power was convicted for a rape case and Quail Lalu was convicted for a murder case. Small Power was convicted for 10 years in rigorous imprisonment, and at the same time also he was imposed a fine of 5,000 rupees, and if he fails to pay the fine, another extra 1 year will be added to his conviction period. And Quail Lalu was convicted for life imprisonment for murder. And the preliminary report we got was that both these convicts were admitted to Jowai Civil Hospital on 27. Small Power was admitted on 27 January 21, and Quail Lalu was admitted in Jowai Civil Hospital. They were complaining of some sickness and all, so he was admitted on 29. And once we have admitted them in hospital, then over there it's as per the standard protocols and all, and the district police has been informed, and they have pulled up their guards and all. And how they escape and the circumstances which led to the escape, I think so it would be better for you to speak to the SP. Jowai, because from our side, because none of our people were involved there for their security. You see, the thing is, we have not got any official information from SP Jowai. So I just contacted him and he said we are conducting an inquiry into it, and the minute he conducts the inquiry, he'll give us a report. So the report is awaited, so till the time that we get the report, I think so we should wait. It's very unfortunate that they have been able to escape from lawful custody. Both of them are involved in very heinous crime. They escaped when they were under the custody of the police, so I think so police department will be the best department to conduct the inquiry. It is not that they escaped from the prison, so they escaped from civil hospital and they were in the custody of the police, so I think so police department will be the best department to inquire into it.
Kadang ka labs nakaliang wat na po jail ru balay ki pha ya kitu Arngut tu balay ki pha ya kitu Arngut hapo hospital bat ki pang ayu manu ba recommend manu ba refer ya ki sa hospital ru hap wat bay kata kadi ka conspiracy bat kin hap wat namar ba kumno unsulat ubriu kum tu bala rape ya kena red hakata urukom but uni Small Power lelai kinda wat bhai ki record song u claim your bail. He got bail for another case but not for the rape, but it's only that it went to the court and to the judge, even through fast track court he was your bail your acquit hapo ka fast track court your acquit ndai hadien bade ka lek biang sapo high court na High Court kalak pha sipo court hapo Jowai but hang tu uyok conviction te menta lada ki ai lat napo jail ban pelat ya uban yok Phet kata te kalau along shisha ni condemn bahaya kani but ni ong bagi dewan wat shisendon badi ban kem yu kadon kan access what ki betray ru ki don access lang what ai kinum la ban mi nang tu kam de ke basuk handai kadon kan access but ki dewan wat but deban weng kum tu jaj bre but arrest ru deban ngat ka case deban su suspend deban ngat because it's a conspiracy again because ki arab ya kini ki jaj bre ki ba rape ki kin thai but kem bia pelat no ba ki ai lat ban pelat ki